I'm headed to the Theater District in Chicago's Loop to tour one of Sweet Home Chicago's short-term furnished apartments at the full amenity Randolph Tower. Just walked into the foyer of a convertible studio apartment with a very attractively finished bath off to my left as I enter. Metal framed mirror, a nice sized vanity, a wall-mounted medicine cabinet, and open shelving for linens. Continuing into the unit, there's a coat closet, a utility closet off to the left, set up with everything you need to make your home here for a while, including an umbrella. Sleeping area is off to your right, and it has a wall-wide closet with a chest of drawers in it. Living area has two large windows facing east, high ceilings, the plank flooring that continues throughout the living area of the home. White cabinets, white appliances, microwave and dishwasher, granite counters, a wide farm-style sink, and of course all the small appliances and kitchenware and cookware and everything you need to feel right at home, including the traditional Sweet Home Chicago goodie bag with a bottle of water and some snacks. There's also a pantry closet in the kitchen. And you've got a comfortably furnished living area here, set up with a desk if you're going to be working from this unit while you're traveling or staying here a while, and a flat panel TV. It's a very livable unit with enough ceiling height to give you a feeling of more space than you have here. In a great building in the heart of the Theater District. Sweet Home Chicago apartments are set up with everything you need to feel at home and hotel-like services to ensure your comfort. It's a sweet deal.